Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In the previous videos I have discussed control flow statement of Python. The control flow statement of Python is divided into three parts: conditional statement, iterative statement and transfer statement. I have already discussed all the three types of control flow statement along with example. If you want to get this video, then click my I button link, then you will get the videos. Today our video is on loops with else block. So what is loops with else block? I have to explain today. Inside loop execution, if break statement not executed, then only else part will be executed. Else means loop without break. So else means loop without break. So what will be our example? See, there is a list called C. C is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. For item in C, if item greater than equal to 500, print not applicable. Break, print item. After break, print the item. Else, print all item process successfully. So in the list we have the numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 which is not greater than 500, which is not greater than 500. So this block will not applicable. It will print 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Here output 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and at last the else part, that is else part where the print all item process successfully will be printed after the printing of the number present in the list. If there is any number greater than 500, then it will be printed. This message not applicable. Okay. our next program, there is a list C where 10, 20, 600, 30, 50 and 500. For item in C, item greater than equal to 500, print we cannot process your order. Break, print item list. Else, print item process successful. So what will be the answer, or what will be the output? Item greater than 500. So first 10 will be printed, 20 will be printed, because it is both the number 10 and 20 is less than 500. But when it is 600, it is coming 600. So we cannot process your order. So 600 is greater than 500. So we will print we cannot process your order. It will break the loop here, and nothing will be printed. Not the other items 30, 40, 50, where here the print of the items is here. Here never the print will be take place, and not this else part. The else where the print is item process successfully also cannot be printed. So this is the difference of loops with else block. So friends, for today it is I have done my the loops with else block example. So I am coming with new video in the next episode. Thank you.